Okay, this is day 2 of algebra review. The difference today is that there's a variable on both sides. So I'm just going to go straight into the examples. Steps are the same as yesterday. All right, so the first thing we would do is distribute, but there are no parentheses, so we can skip that. The next step would be combining like terms. The like terms have to be on the same side of the equal sign. So in this equation, there are no like terms to be combined because they're on opposite sides of the equal sign. The next step would be to get the variable over to one side. I always like x on the left. You will get the same answer if you move it to the right, but for me, I will always move x to the left side. So I'm going to, let me do this color, add x. And remember, this is a 1x. So that cancels it out on the right side. Then I'm going to add 1x on the left. So now I only have x on the left side of the equal sign. Now I need all the constants on the right side. So I'm going to subtract 28. And the last step is divide by the coefficient. So x equals -1. Okay, again, this equation does not have any parentheses, so we don't need to distribute. We do have like terms. So I can combine like terms on the left side. 9x and 3x can be added together. So 12x, and the rest of the equation stays the same. Now I need all of my variable on the left side, so I'm going to eliminate it from the right side, subtract 7x. And I want to eliminate the constant from the left side, so I'm going to add 27. And the last step is divide by 5. $70 divided by 5 is 14. All right, let's do just 2 more examples. All right, this one does have parentheses, so we're going to distribute, which means to multiply the term on the outside by each term on the inside. So multiplying, we'll get 16x minus 8, and the other side of the equation stays the same for this step. There are no like terms to combine, so I'm going to eliminate 4x on the right side, and subtract 4x from the left. Now I'll add 8. And divide by 12. Negative 108 divided by 12 is negative 9. All right, here's my last example for you today. Okay, first thing we do is distribute. We need to distribute this negative 3. So this 3x just comes down. Negative 3 times 6x is negative 18x. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. And I'm just going to copy the other side because there's nothing to distribute over there. Now I can combine like terms. Remember, they have to be on the same side of the equal sign to combine them. So I can combine 3x and negative 18x. That's negative 15x. And on the other side, I can combine negative 20 and negative 6. So negative 10x minus 26. I'm going to eliminate x on the right side, add 10x. And then subtract 9. And last step is divide by negative 5. X equals 7. Okay, that's all the examples I want to do today.